Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. I am doing upper body routine at Retro Fitness, and I want to turn this camera around and say to all of you, happy 4th of July. Woo! All right, so now I'm gonna go inside, get this workout done, and like I said, I'm amped up. I am so fucking amped up to get this fucking challenge done, man. It's like I'm down 8 pounds now, but what I notice is I'm starting to go a little flat in the way I look, so that means I'm just gonna change my calories just a little bit. I'll still lose weight, but I'm gonna try to keep some size and at the same time diet down and just shred some of this body fat. All right, I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna see if I could actually make a video while I'm in there. But I can't believe on 4th of July it is fucking packed already in there. So I'm gonna go inside, get this done, be back in a minute. All right, ta-ta, bye-bye. Oh, what's up, everybody? Guess what? I went to the gym today and the motherfucker was packed. Just trying to bring this damn camera into the gym would have never worked. There was people to the left of me, people to the right of me. It was like, I'm sorry, it was just too many damn people for me to bring the camera in. And I was just like, fuck it, I ain't gonna do it that way. So right now, I'm in my backyard right now. As you can see, trampolines, everything. It's so awesome. My neighbors, everybody's gone. It's so quiet around here. It's like, because it's 4th of July, a lot of people are gone, so I have the whole house to myself. But I gotta get my ass ready and get out of here, because I gotta go to my aunt's house because she's having a get together, and I know sometimes I gotta do family things that I don't want to do, so I promised the wife, so I'm gonna go. All right, so long story short, I'm gonna show you what I'm up to now. Before I leave, I'm having a protein shake. And all right, let me just tell you so far what's been going on since I've been on the Trojan horse. Like I said before, I lost the 8 pounds. Now the beautiful thing is, what I'm noticing is, when I bend over to tie my shoes, anything I do that involves where my stomach used to be when I'm bending over, it's like I'm not out of breath anymore. I'm not like, I'm freaking dying when I used to just put my socks on in my shoes. So now it's like, that's one of the things I noticed. When you start losing weight, man, you just feel 10 times better. And like now, look at this. This is a large shirt. I couldn't fit in a large in a long time. I was using 2XLs and freaking, well, usually extra larges and 2XLs. But I saw, like I said before, I'm sorry, my weight's coming down way too fast. So I think that I'm just gonna try to like start raising the calories just a little bit for maintenance, so that way I just keep the size, the frame I have now, and then just shed the fat and hopefully just stay at 180. What else can I say? All right, so this, and as you will see, because I'm going to the family's get together for the 4th of July, you know they're gonna have alcohol and shitty food, so I gotta bring my own shit. I know they're gonna be like, what the fuck is this? And I'm gonna be like, bitches, I bring my own food. I got my potatoes and my steak. All right, so that's a carb, protein, and a vegetable. And of course, I always gotta bring this shit with me because I put it on everything. So I put that on the food, and then what's gonna happen is we're going to the fireworks show. And what's gonna happen is, I know what's gonna happen. My stomach's gonna start growling while I'm at the fireworks show, and they ain't gonna have no good food there. So I'm going to bring 1 banana and 10 almonds with me, and then when I get home, I will have a protein shake, a protein shake before I go to bed. And then I'm getting up at 3:30 in the morning tomorrow because I gotta be at work at 5. I'm gonna hit the gym to do fasted cardio on an empty stomach before I go to work. And of course, you're all gonna see me in the dark going to the gym at around 3:45 in the morning to go do my cardio. So I said I was gonna make a video today, and I wanted to do in the gym. That didn't happen, so this is my happy 4th of July to all of yous, because I love you all. All right, so that's what I want to say today. Just happy 4th of July. Please, all my subscribers, please be safe. If you're new to my channel and you're a little confused right now, is check out one of my other videos. You'll see as to what's going on, what I'm doing with the Trojan horse. Today is, since like I said, today is the 4th of July, I'm gonna be more relaxed and just have fun today. I'm still gonna stick with my diet, but I'm just gonna have fun. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Again, like always, thumbs up this video, and again, comment below. All right, again, happy 4th of July. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.